and welcome back to the living room with the ugly floral couch. For today's video, I want to talk about 3 products that I was disappointed by. Got some makeup, got some foundation, got some skincare that literally makes me so upset. I had such high expectations for these items, and these are things from some of my favorite brands that I really wanted to love, yet they were completely disappointing to me. If you are anything like me, you can avoid wasting your money. And maybe if you have skin that's opposite of mine, this might be great for you. But let's just start with Too Faced. This foundation was a nightmare. This is the Do You foundation. It launched with Candy Johnson. It smells literally like a tropical vacation. It has skin-loving and anti-aging nutrients, and it's supposed to be like the perfect everyday foundation that's medium to full coverage. I tried this out for an entire day in New York City. It made me oily in places that I didn't even know I could have oil. I had oil back here. I've always had oily skin that always gets grease buckety up here. I have never had oil back here. It looked like a hot mess by the end of the day. And even though they say that it's full coverage, it's not a full coverage foundation. Don't get me wrong, it gives you a glow. It says you do you, but all it did was make me greasy. And I'm so upset because everything else about the formula is great. The skin-loving ingredients, the fact that it has this juicy watermelon, fresh cucumber, anti-aging, good for acne-prone skin. This did not cut it for me. If you have dry skin, you will love this, but for me, it was so upsetting. And honestly, I could not imagine spending $36 on this for my skin type. This was sent to me from Too Faced for PR, and I am so glad that it was, because if I had bought this, I wouldn't be disappointed, I would be angry. Plus, my ex just texted me asking for more money, kind of angry. So that was a disappointment. But you know what? At least we gave it a try, and at least they have other products. That's all I gotta say. Next is another product that I was so disappointed by because, again, I thought that this was gonna be like my new holy grail. This is Pixi Beauty's new mascara. And first off, let me just talk to you about how amazing it is before I talk to you about what a crap show it was. It's called the Lash Lift 188. It has 2 different brushes, one for your regular eyeshadow, and then actually in the little top has this mini one so that you can actually get your bottom lashes. How adorable, right? It's actually got castor oil and a bunch of nutrients in it that can help grow your eyelashes. And just like Pixi Beauty always is, they are natural, cruelty-free, paraben-free, etc. This product is called the Lash Lift 188, and the reason why is because statistically, the average woman has about 188 eyelashes. And me being like a science nerd and loving statistics and things, I was like, that's so cool. And it having the dual brush and it having all these ingredients, I thought to myself, this is gonna be amazing. This ended up being a nightmare. And the reason why is because this stuff does not dry on my eyelashes. It dries all over my eyes, pretty much my brow bone, and halfway up my forehead. And I'm so disappointed by this because I wanted to love it. This was literally gonna become my new holy grail. And for me, throughout the day, regardless of whether or not I'm sweaty, regardless of whether or not it's humid outside, this gets smeared all over my face. It just literally does not dry. And if you're the kind of person who can apply this to your eyelashes and then look down for a minute and a half, more power to you. First off, I can't do that for a minute and a half. And then second off, even if I do, it still kind of bleeds throughout the day. It ruins any eyeshadow that I have on. And then if I close my eyes, it literally bleeds down here, even halfway through the day. Seeing as how highly esteemed I hold Pixi Beauty, they're still one of my favorite skincare and makeup lines. I trust them with my heart and soul and face. This product was a miss. And I really hope that they reformulate it with a little bit quicker of a drying time or come out with a waterproof version, because this was just sad. Very lastly, I want to discuss a skincare line that everyone asks me about and I finally got around to trying, and then I was sad. This is the Drunk Elephant. The Drunk Elephant is a top seller at Sephora. Their stuff is masstige prices, so it's not super luxury, but it's not inexpensive. This is their moisturizer. It's the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. How do I put this nicely? Drunk Elephant is just a skincare routine that doesn't suck. Right? That's sad to say, but that's literally all I can say about this line is that it doesn't suck. The problem is that there's no real amazing benefits that I've seen from it. I've taken a look at some of their products. Granted, I haven't tried them all, but I don't see any ingredients that are like amazing. And I mean, it doesn't suck, but it's like I could go to the drugstore and find something of the same exact quality as this retro cream, the exact same feel with like some of the same benefits. But why would I pay 3 times the price for this at Sephora? And the only products that I've tried are the retro cream and the cleanser and the toner. And I haven't explored a lot of their other products. Maybe they've changed things by now, but everyone's asking me to review it and I'm like, I mean, they don't suck. But if that's the best thing that you can say about a skincare line is that, well, at least they don't completely suck, that's not saying much. So I was disappointed because it's like a top seller at Sephora. It gets decent reviews. They're not like out of this world, and I wonder, like, are they paid for or do people just love them? And I mean, if you like things that are basic, it's basic. And don't get me wrong, the elephant is adorable. But everything else about it, at least from the products I've tried, I'm just like, boring. Like literally, for me, the drunk elephant is the same as watching golf on TV. Like, like I would rather just not watch TV or not even do my skincare routine, and I would be just the same. So that being said, those are the 3 products that I was sorely disappointed by. And I hate to say that because I really wanted to love some of these products. I had those high expectations and I was let down as a consumer. So I really hope that these brands reformulate, or if you have a suggestion about another product that works better than these, that has some of the same benefits or ingredients, let your girl know. But until then, I am just gonna go back to using my other items that I know and trust and love, because these 3 were not up to my standards. Also share with me a story in the comments below. Is there a specific product that like you were so excited about, or that a YouTuber talked about, or that you saw on TV or on a blog, you went out, you bought it, and then you were like, this sucks. I want to hear about what that product is so that I can feel better about some of my failures. Leave a comment below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video talking pretty truthfully about the shitty side of the beauty industry and some of those products, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. I do post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and sometimes the Wi-Fi sucks and it doesn't happen. Sometimes I post a bonus video, and sometimes I even do live streams where you can chat with me that I later delete. So if you want to know about all those good things, subscribe and hit the ding dong bell button, because it's completely free to do and it'll notify you like a little Instagram like when I post a video to talk to you about beauty or science of skin or my cats or makeup that sucks. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.